Hey folks, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I got this package yesterday. Inside there is Laurier Falcon 2 in gold. I saw a lot of reviews for the Falcon 2, but I haven't seen any in regards to the gold version. I've seen gold version of Falcon 1, but not Falcon 2. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing, give you my first impressions, and that'll be it. So let me open up this box. There you go. Here's what's in the box. Again, it was from a previous owner. So the owner of this watch, on the description of the post, was saying that he bought the gold version, but he just didn't feel as though he was cool enough to carry off the look. Therefore, I wanted to kind of give it to a person who's going to enjoy it. So bought it, the price was good, and let's just see how it kind of looks. Oops. Nice box. Wow. Look at that. That is gold. So inside is a tool and a card. Inside card is named, so I'm just going to leave that alone. But that's a nice package, nice leather watch bag. A couple of extra links, and here you get the watch. Let's see. Here is the watch itself. I don't see. Well, I mean that's fine. See if I could clean this up a little bit. So far, right off the bat, it is gold. I don't know how else to put it. It's gold. I like the waffle dials because this is the first Laurier or the Falcon version 2 that I've seen in person. Maybe it's just the lighting, but the waffle dials on the white dial itself, the waffle patterns within the white dial is it's pretty prominent. It's not something that you don't see. You see the waffle patterns within the dial, which I like. And then the gold accents on the indices, as well as the second hand, actually that actually fits in together really, really well. And it's it's really, really thin, which is another reason why I decided to get this Falcon 2, because aesthetically I think I prefer the Falcon 1 better with the stick markers, and this is a 36, and the Falcon 1 was a 39, but it had a thickness of 14.4, and I don't know if you saw my video in regards to the max bill. 14.4 is just way too thick, you know. This is 11. As you can see, it's a pretty thin watch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see and put it around my wrist and see how it kind of looks. There you go. That's around my wrist. The previous owner had a small wrist like myself, maybe just a tad larger. I think I could take away one more link and it'll just fit my 6.5 inch bracelet. I'll adjust it later, but I would say the comfort level of this watch is perfect. It's perfect. And I know everybody kind of talked about the fact that the bracelet itself was very, very comfortable. Yeah, I have to agree with that. It just lays on your wrist. I have many other watches with different bracelets. This is very, very comfortable. This square pattern, I thought it was going to be more irritating on my wrist, but it just kind of lays flat. I can't really describe it. And then the watch itself, the case, 36 by 11 thickness, it is literally perfect for how it feels on my wrist. I think I would rather prefer the 38 as far as the dial, because with this white pattern, with the white dial, with the gold watch, with a 36, it might get a little bit too feminine, but man, I don't really care. Who cares? I really, actually what I really want to do is let me actually try to resize this and then come back and see how it fits after I have actually sized this watch appropriately for my wrist. Hey guys, I'm back. So took off an extra link. There seems to be a decent amount of coating on the exterior. Obviously it's not real gold, but you know, I think as far as thinking that the exterior coating is not going to last, or it's going to be quickly scratched out or dissolved, I think there's a decent amount there to keep it going. You know, it's or actually it's $550. So I don't know exactly what you're expecting, but I think this is sufficient enough. The other thing is there's a micro adjustment, which is helpful here. I have it on the second hole. And then once I took off the link and then did a little bit of a micro adjustment, that's how it kind of fits perfectly on my wrist. And I'm gonna say right now that 1 out of 10, as far as how happy I am at this point with this purchase, with the amount that I paid for, I would say it's a 9.5. I freaking love this watch. The gold, sometimes when I look at it in the picture, it doesn't seem like it's really shiny gold. It's gold. So like a lot of the times when I look at the pictures of this particular model, if I look it on Laurier, there's certain pictures where the gold kind of pops, and there are certain pictures when I look it on like watch forums of people who have this gold version, which doesn't seem to be too many, and it seems to be very muted. I could tell you in person, it's gold. You'll notice that it's gold, especially against this white dial. The dimensions are perfect. The 11 millimeter thickness is perfect for my wrist. If I could change anything, the reason that I would go 9.5 out of 10 is I would probably go with a 38 here if I could, rather than a 36. Because if you put everything and tie it together, it looks a little bit feminine, but you know, I really don't give a F. Who cares? But overall, love it. The bracelet is very comfortable. The micro adjustment obviously really helps. The thickness is perfect. The waffle pattern within the dial is really noticeable when you look at it in person. And then the gold accents, just everything kind of fits in together as far as what I was looking for in a watch. So overall, really recommend it. So I'll do a review of it maybe a month down the line as far as how it kind of held up. But right now, the initial impression, love it. I absolutely love it. So that's it. Talk to you guys later.